How to configure administrator protection settings in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you why you might not find this option yet and how to enable it if you're on the right build. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Privacy and Security. From there, click on Windows Security. At this point, click on Account Protection. In the next step, keep in mind Administrator Protection is currently a rolling out preview feature, mainly available on Windows Insider Dev or Canary builds, not standard release Windows 11 yet. Following this, if you don't see this option here, that's expected, since it hasn't reached general availability. Once done, to try it early, you'd need to join the Windows Insider program through Settings, then Windows Update, then Windows Insider program. From here, opt into the Dev or Canary channel specifically, since Administrator Protection isn't currently in the beta or release preview channels. At this stage, once your build updates and includes this feature, return to Windows Security, then Account Protection to find the toggle. Keep in mind, joining Insider builds means using an early, potentially unstable version of Windows, so only do this if you're comfortable with occasional bugs. Finally, once enabled through a supported build, restart your computer to activate the added Windows Hello-based admin protection. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand administrator protection settings in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.